What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Finally, we got some content for you guys. I know it's been a while, probably since Motorama. I'm a little bit rusty, not gonna lie to you, but we are finally back outside. We had plenty of indoor races that I shown for you guys. But yeah, excited to get back to 8th Scales. Today's video is the Trains and Lanes season opener in Easton, PA. And yeah, I couldn't be more stoked. So hope you guys all enjoy the video. I will spin you right into it and I'll take you back after the race. Enjoy the video, guys, and make sure you subscribe. Rise and shine. We got Hoof with the rig, all pressed out, ready to go this season. Trains and Lanes opener, baby. All set up, trackside, baby, with my man Hoof for his first 8th scale race. Let's go. Here we are, all set up. Let's go. Shout out to Alan Placer over there, letting us tap in for some power. Batteries on, track's looking good. Getting ready for a good day.
Take your time.
Heats didn't go too good, but ended on 2 wins. The lights are on, and we're hoping to get the bump from the B to the A. So there goes nothing, boys. And famously said, we are back. Unfortunately, with really no great news. Unfortunate way to start off the season opener and the 8 scale program here for 2024. We obviously had plenty of luck in Motorama. After disaster after disaster, it was a very big struggle, and we at least kind of made the best of it there. Not the same case here for the Trains and Lanes opener. Now, it's not a points race. It was nothing really crazy. It's just kind of getting the gears turning again for everybody. And there was a lot of fast dudes there, and we had a lot of fun. At one point in Truggy, I was actually sitting, I believe, in 9th overall, in the 9th spot for the A main, and couldn't quite figure out the buggy enough to get out of the B range. So, unfortunately, I was put into both B mains, and yeah, not ideally the finish I wanted. We, in buggy, I ended up breaking a little steering piece, just super unfortunate there. I did get a little chillier, near the end of the program, but obviously not ideal there at all. And as for the Truggy, over that little double that I was triple and singling all day, mind you, the smallest jump on the track, somehow I've completely waffled the entire rear of the car, and the front. So I guess I had come down, I'll show you guys. Guess I have come down on the jump, and by the way, the wing broke on the jump. I don't really know what the hell happened here, but needless to say, we have our work cut out for us before we run the Truggy again. Yeah, unfortunately, nothing super exciting. Ended up with 2 DNFs. It seems to be a common trait here that we can't figure out. So we gonna make some changes to the program and get everything back up and going. And yeah, like I said, guys, I'm not going to be filming every race this year. I'm trying to touch base on more content that has to do with getting you guys into RC and little like things that I've learned along the way and tips and tricks and stuff like that. But those of you who do enjoy all these race videos, all the bigger races will still be filmed just like this. So if you guys do enjoy these kind of videos and you like the racing content, just leave me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed with your notification bell on and all that good stuff. Lets me know that you guys actually enjoy the content that I'm putting out, and I kind of know which direction to take the channel. Yeah, next stop at our local club here, Dirt Runners. Not sure if I have a video planned to shoot there or not yet, but we will be there. So I will see you guys there, those of you who watch along, and we'll be there as well. And yeah, whether we film or not really sure, but that's our next stop. We got to get to some doing some wrenching here, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Signing out. Peace.